This is DC Danton Crow Crusader. Here's LC, nicknamed Chi Chi, and the new addition to the family, Millie. And Millie is from the US. I brought him back with me. And the story, I'm going to make a separate video on Millie and tell you the story of Millie. So you'll appreciate this wonderful little, I believe it's a Bombay cat, but he's doing really, really well. He's really, really sweet, as you can see. He's coming right up to the camera, and we'll keep you stay tuned. Stay tuned for the adventures of Millie and her story, which is a very special one. So, but the cats have been together. Well, I separated them the first week, 7 days, with a gate, and now this is the end of the second week. The first week that they've been loose together in the apartment, and as you can see, they're doing really well. Of course, LC is the queen, and sometimes she does hiss, but then, I speak to her, and then she's really good. As you can see, they're getting along. For 13 days, they're getting along fabulously well. And LC has been very patient. Millie's getting braver with every day, venturing out, discovering his new surroundings, and while LC watches on. So, I'm going to sign off now. Oh, there goes LC. No hissing allowed in the house. That's it. Okay, this is DC Danton Crow Crusader, wishing you a great day. This is the first video after 3 months. So, welcome back. This is DC Danton, over and out.